Ram Truck is bringing big things to this year's State Fair of Texas with the unveiling of 3 models: the exclusive new 2022 Ram 1500 TRX Ignition Edition, the 2022 Ram 1500 Longhorn South Fork, and the 2022 Ram 1500 Ram Red Edition. Each model offers truck buyers an even wider selection of exterior and interior appointments and content. The models go on sale in the fourth quarter of 2021. The Ram Truck display at the State Fair of Texas features a full lineup of Ram trucks, September 24th through October 17th at Fair Park in Dallas.